India has contributed significantly to the world with numerous inventions and discoveries in various fields. Here are some of the most remarkable inventions from India. 0. Inventor Aryabhatta, an ancient Indian mathematician, is credited with the invention of the concept of zero around 500 CE. This fundamental mathematical concept revolutionized arithmetic and algebra worldwide. Chess. The game of chess, originally known as Chaturanga, originated in India during the Gupta Empire around the 6th century. It evolved into modern chess and became a globally recognized strategic game. Plastic surgery. Sushruta, known as the father of surgery, authored the Sushruta Samhita around 600 BCE, which described reconstructive surgery techniques such as rhinoplasty, nose surgery. Ayurveda. Ayurveda, one of the oldest systems of medicine, originated in India over 3,000 years ago. It focuses on natural remedies, herbs, and holistic health practices. The Charaka Samhita is one of the earliest texts on Ayurveda. Iron and steel technology. The Iron Pillar of Delhi, which dates back to the 4th century CE, is an example of early rust-resistant iron technology. India also pioneered the production of high-quality wood steel, which was used to legendary swords. Buttons. Buttons were first used in the Indus Valley civilization around 2000 BCE. These were made of seashells and used more as ornamental pieces rather than fasteners as they are today. The Fibonacci sequence. While the sequence was named after the Italian mathematician Fibonacci, it was first described by Pingala, an ancient Indian mathematician, in his work on Sanskrit prosody around 200 BCE. Cotton and textile weaving. The art of weaving cotton into cloth originated in India around 5000 BCE. India was one of the first civilizations to grow cotton, spin it into yarn, and weave it into textiles. Water clocks. The concept of measuring time using water clocks, or ghatikas, was developed in ancient India. These devices were used to keep track of time in temples and for astronomical purposes. Ruler measuring scale. The ancient Indus Valley civilization 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE developed precise rulers made from ivory. These rulers had uniform divisions, suggesting advanced knowledge of measurement. Ink. India developed the use of masi, a type of ink, as early as the 4th century BCE. The ink was made from burnt bones, tar, and pitch and was used for writing on palm leaves. Shampoo. The concept of shampooing originated in India. The word shampoo is derived from the Hindi word champo. Indians used herbs and natural ingredients to clean their hair long before modern shampoos were invented. Binary number system and decimal system. The decimal system we use today, including the concept of the positional notation and the use of the number 10 as the base, was developed in India around 500 CE. Cataract surgery. Ancient Indian physician Sushruta also pioneered cataract surgery, a procedure still widely used in modern medicine. His detailed surgical techniques for removing cataracts were described in the Sushruta Samhita. Ludo. The popular board game Ludo evolved from the ancient Indian game Pachisi, which dates back to the 6th century CE. It was a favorite pastime of Indian royalty and has since become popular worldwide. Snakes and ladders. The game of snakes and ladders originated in India as Mokshapatam, a spiritual game that taught moral lessons. It was later adapted into the modern version of the game played today. Yoga. Yoga was developed in ancient India more than 5,000 years ago. It is a system of physical, mental, and spiritual practices aimed at achieving balance and well-being. Atom theory. Ancient Indian philosopher Kannada proposed the theory of Anu, atom, around 600 BCE, suggesting that matter is composed of small, indivisible particles. Flush toilets. The world's first flush toilets were used during the Indus Valley Civilization, around 3300 to 1300 BCE, in India. Ancient Indian cities, such as Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, had advanced sanitation systems. India's long history of scientific, mathematical, and technological achievements continues to influence the modern world in profound ways. These inventions are a testament to the country's innovative spirit throughout the centuries. A big salute to all inventors. Jai Hind!
Please like, share and subscribe our channel Knowledge Hub. Thank you.